What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you all how to protect cold-sensitive plants from damage from freezing rain and ice storms. Normally, we don't get too much frozen precipitation here in Wilmington, North Carolina, but this year we've been getting many winter storms. Because of this, I need to protect some of my sensitive trees from damage caused by ice and freezing rain. This Canary Island date palm is cold sensitive, and the coming freezing rain can cause a lot of damage if it isn't protected. Protection from freezing rain and ice storms is different than protection from cold. While I normally use breathable plant jackets made from agricultural fabric and warm incandescent lights for cold protection, protecting from freezing rain and ice requires a different strategy because these types of precipitation can cause damage at higher temperatures than cold air alone. To protect from this type of precipitation, we need a strong waterproof barrier like a tarp. First, I install incandescent C9 Christmas lights around the base of the tree to provide warmth. Then I place the tarp loosely over the tree and secure one side of the tarp by installing garden staples or 3/8 inch rebar stakes through the grommets. The rebar works much better if it is windy outside. Once one side is secure, I can pull the tarp over the tree and secure the other side. When the temperature begins to fall, we can turn on the incandescent lights to keep the tree warm. When the frozen precipitation occurs, be sure to periodically check on the tree to remove any built-up frozen precipitation because it can become heavy and potentially snap branches if the tree isn't strong enough. Just a little bit of ice down there. Using this method of protection, I was able to protect this Canary Island date palm from both a severe ice storm and an 18-degree low temperature with no damage at all. And you can apply this protection method to other trees like this as well. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.